When I run the code it says type error. Unlink got an unexpected keyword argument missing underscore OK. This is my code. It is everything I have in my program. The file program2.py does not exist. That is why I wanted to set the missing underscore OK parameter to true so that it would not raise a file exists error. But every time I run the code it gives me the following message. File underscore path dot unlink missing underscore OK equals true. Type error. Unlink got an unexpected keyword argument missing underscore OK. Do I have an outdated version of Python or have I made a mistake in the code? Help would be much appreciated.
The missing underscore OK parameter was added to path.unlink only on Python 3.8. You should upgrade Python to newer version if you want to use this parameter. You can check your Python version with the command python v.
As answered by Napuzba, missing underscore OK is only available on Python 3.8 or above. If you still have to use Python 3.7 or below, you can do this. If you want to catch the exception,
type error, unlink got an unexpected keyword argument missing underscore OK. This means that the unlink function is not expecting your input variable underscore name missing underscore OK. It also looks like you're trying to do numerical division in these two lines, which is not a valid operation.
I frågan 2 år. Plias consider subscribing.